Hi there. Today we're going to have a look at the moon again. But we've already done the other experiment, or a similar experiment to this a couple of times, but I want to add a slightly different slant to it this time. But as you can see when you look up there at the moon on the left hand side of the screen, it's more than 50% illuminated. And if I hold the ball up, it's slightly more than 50% illuminated. And if you look at the shadow lines, they're actually exactly the same, and the lines running parallel. So if we use this to work out the direction of the sun in regards to the ball, and the direction of the sun in regards to the moon, we will find that they are almost identical. So it indicates that the distance from the moon to the sun and the distance from this ball to the sun are relatively the same, are very close to being identical. So it kind of indicates that the sun is a much longer distance away than what the moon is. For those shadow lines to be identical here on Earth is what they are on the moon. So I believe that just based on that little experiment alone, half of what flat earthers carry on with about the moon being a flat self-illuminating disk and whatnot, and the distances being about 3,000 miles to the moon and the sun, I think we can conceivably say without a shadow of a doubt that whole concept is busted. Let's look at it again. So we've got the moon up there. Now if the moon and the sun with the same distance from the Earth, these shadow lines should be different. What you see as far as the shadow line on the moon should be different to the shadow line on the ball here on Earth. But when you look at them, they're almost identical. So I don't know what you want to say about that. It's not some trickery of the devil. It's not some lie. And then you can see by that shadow line that the ball, the shadow line on the ball, mimics that of the moon. It's easy to see. So the ball is, the moon is a sphere. The moon is a ball. It's undeniable. And the distances to the sun from where I am and from where the moon is are comparatively similar. There may be a small difference of a couple, like a percent or two, a couple of percent at the most. But they're definitely not the same distance from where I am now. Flat Earth is going down, I can guarantee you. It's a lie, it's a psyop, it's just simply not fact. I believe that everything that flat earthers say about the globe Earth being a psyop and being some sort of big cover-up, and that, you know, it's the work of the devil and all this rubbish, is actually what I think about flat Earth. I think that flat Earth is the lie, flat Earth is the psyop, flat Earth is a shill It's a cover-up. It's nothing but just complete and utter rubbish. You know, to look, just to make a few simple observations, just proves that the moon is not self-illuminating, that the sun is not 3,000 miles away, that the earth must be spherical for the sun to be able to set, as shown in previous videos that I've done. Anyway, leave your comments and questions in the comments section below. Thumbs up the video because I know you loved it, and don't hesitate to subscribe. Have a great day. I'll catch you later.